Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make these soft and fluffy pancakes, which are really simple to make. Let's get started with the recipe. Take a bowl and crack in 1 egg. Beat the egg until it's light and fluffy. Then add in 6 tablespoons of milk and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract to it and beat it all together. Whisk it until it's really fluffy for about 5 minutes. Then keep that aside, and in a separate bowl take a sieve and sift in 1 cup or 150 grams of all-purpose flour and 1/4 cup or 60 grams of powdered sugar and 1 heaped teaspoon of baking powder. Then mix the dry ingredients together. Now take the bowl with the dry ingredients, give it a quick whisk, and now add in the dry ingredients in batches or 3 or 4. Whisk it together with a very gentle hand. You only want to incorporate the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients well. You don't want to beat them anymore. You just want to mix them with a gentle hand. You could also use a spatula, but I prefer using a whisk because that does the job easily. After it forms a thick batter, add in 2 tablespoons of milk and whisk it a little more but gently, and then add in the last batch with 2 tablespoons of milk, and now finally give it the gentle stir. And you want to use a spatula at this point because you don't want to deflate the batter. Then keep it to rest for 15 to 20 minutes, and after that your pancakes are ready to be made. And this batter, you can give it a gentle stir because it might be thick, but this is the consistency we want. Then take a pan, let it heat. Once it's hot, add some butter to it, and now add in the pancake mixture. Here I'm taking a 1/4 cup and exactly measuring 1/4 cup of batter and adding it on. Now once it starts bubbling, you know it's good, and you want to flip it really quickly because okay, the first pancake is always bad, but trust me, the next ones are super nice. Then I didn't use any butter on the next ones because butter gives it a really bad texture like the one we got in the first one, but this one, just look at it, the one without the butter. Yes, that's beautiful. Now take a plate and stack them one on the top of the other. This recipe makes 4 fluffy pancakes, and I think it serves 1 person because I ate them all by myself. Then add in a little piece of butter on the top and drizzle some maple syrup, but I used honey because I don't have any maple syrup. No one at my house eats pancakes, so. And then I also added some whipped cream, which is totally optional and unrequired. And just a look at the fluffy pancakes. They're actually the best pancakes, so give it a big thumbs up because this is the best recipe ever. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I'm asking this for the 2nd time in the video. And also subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you later.